if I could have a dream that came true, this definitely would be it. It's unreal, and it feels like a fantasy paradise world. Every night, our family's like, oh, what sunset are we gonna see tonight? Like, is it gonna be different? What colors are we gonna see? And then at night, our favorite thing to do is to sit out and watch the stars. There's no light pollution, so you can see like tons of stars.
The Milky Way, the Big Dipper, the Little Dipper, everything's so easy to identify.
Easy. One night you can see 5 shooting stars or
You know how many wishes we're making? If you live in LAUNIUPOKO, your wishes come true.
Yes.
The majority of the properties in LAUNIUPOKO are acreage home sites. There's definitely something to be said about having a sanctuary, having a little bit of a spread, some elbow room.
I really like the freedom of being able to talk late at night, be able to listen to music throughout the day, wear what you want to wear in your yard. And for me, that's very, very important. I love the privacy of it all.
When you live in LAUNIUPOKO, you have all of the first class amenities that Maui offers right at your fingertips. You've got the Ritz, the Four Seasons, all of the fine dining, PGA golf courses, sailboats, jungles, waterfalls, hiking. Another thing about this neighborhood is it's agricultural exempt. The majority, if not all of the properties produce fruit. When your friends and family are visiting and you've got fresh orange juice and you've got fresh mangoes that are so sweet they bring tears to your eye.
And because it's agriculture, people can get creative with their landscaping. For the most part, everyone has really nice landscaping, but you also have some of that raw, like natural landscaping. It's God's art everywhere, all this nature everywhere, and people do it so well.
It's like a tropical oasis. Literally, it just sits on this little slope and then these huge mountains pop up, and this is LAUNIUPOKO. Oh, we forgot to tell them about the hiking trail.
There is a paved hike that is in the middle of the neighborhood. If you were to go north, it would lead to this beautiful stream, and you can look at like the houses, the landscaping, the mountains. And at that point, because you're higher, you can see a lot of Front Street, Lahaina, and of course the oceans and all the boats parked in the ocean too. And then you head south, and then you get to go see all these like different rolling like hills and mountains, which I really feel like they look like cookie crumbles. If you see it, you know what I mean. It's like peanut butter crumbles, Oreos.
Oh, the rock formations are literally out of this world. You feel like you're on another planet. When you have the craziest, most epic landscapes you've ever laid eyes on, blue skies, warm water, outer island views, world-class beaches at your doorstep, everything Maui.
Yes.
What do you say?
And also leave your comments down below and let us know what you guys recommend is the best neighborhood in the US and the world. We would love to like check it out and research it as well.
If you're thinking real estate, think JT. I'm just a call or a text away.
Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon.